What the heck is this?
Oh!
Oh my God, what am I gonna do? It looks so scary. Quick, quick, quick! Get away from me! Get away from me! Enough! Let him go!
Oh!
Okay. That's cool. What the heck is going on? Run, run! Wait, please help me. Don't worry, I'm here. Hello, is anybody here?
Oh!
Let's go.
What?
Stay away! Stay away! What is wrong with him? I think you need help. We have to move it out of here. Easy. Hey, hey. I've got an idea. You'll be okay. Okay, done. Very good. Leave it to me. Wow, you were great! What is going on? Oh my God! Hey, I'm here! What is this? Help me! Help me! I'll help you. It's not! I'm sorry. I'm so tired. That's all right, thanks. Yes, no problem. Oh no! Don't worry, I'm here. You've done a great job. I was wrong. I'm sorry. Stop now. Oh no! What should we do now? Help me! Help me! Oh my God! Move! Move! I'm sorry.
Oh.
What is going on? Stop! Stop! We have to stop them. I am ready. Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Great! Nothing is impossible. Yeah! Mission completed. Thank you. You've done a great job. Yes, no problem. Let's go home. Come on, let's go. Very beautiful. What should we do now? What is going on? Good job! Let's go. Okay. What is this? Oh my God! Help me! Help me! Be careful. Very good.
Oh.
Wow.
We have to help him. I am ready. We'll get there immediately.
Oh.
Hurry up. We are always by your side. Arrived. going. Wonderful! Wow, it looks good! Oh, this place is so beautiful!